Please, round of applause for our first winner, my ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Some manpower here. Miss Eliza, congratulations. Please come up on stage.
You are our first winner.
Alright, congratulations. Here is your certificate. Okay, because the iPad will be
Sa pagsubaybay natin sa buhay ni Pepito, malalaman natin kung paano niya gagastusin ang napanalunan niyang 700 milyon sa loto at paano nito mabaguhin ang payak niyang pamumuno. Kasama sina Joshua Pineda bilang Chito, ang kanyang malambing na anak, at Marilyn Reynes bilang Elsa, ang kanyang butihing may bahay. Sama-sama natin subaybayan at matawa sa malasirkulong buhay ni Michael V. bilang Pepito Manaloto, tuwing linggo, alas 6:30 ng gabi, dito lang sa Kapuso Network, GMA7.
Alright, napakadami talaga. Exactly, napakaraming bago at exciting, nakaabang-abang na mga shows mula sa inyong mga kapuso.
That's right, and of course, we want to acknowledge in the audience, watching Party Pilipinas, we have Bossing Vic Soto.
And Joey De Leon.
Yes, and of
they're
course,
here with us.
they are joined by Mr. FLG in the table, and Miss Malucho of Agar.
Joey Abagan is here
yes.
too.
Thank you sa ating mga solid kapuso. And of course, like what you said earlier, napakadaming bagong shows.
I can see Claudine Barreto.
Wow, Miss Claudine Barreto.
Hello, Claudine.
Miss Annette Gozon of Agar, Miss Wilma Galvante is in the house. Yes. All right.
Super exciting.
Is that Miss Isabel?
It's the risk that I'm taking, and I'm never gonna trust you.
wrap around your arms.
Oo, pre.
Say cheese. You can ask for
Likod.
yes mo.
Doon tayo, pre. Hanapin natin doon.
You can probably reach the lower back. There you are. All right. Yep. Okay, countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, baby! Change! Hi, Miss Cecily.
Uli pa rin.
Change table.
Ay, ba po ba?
Ladies and gentlemen. But I know, I understand if you want.
Galing po tayo. Ay, laro kayo ng laro ah. Kinukuha na ng mga kayo.
Ganda naman ang smile na yan. Uy, uy.
Oh my gosh, it's burning my mouth.
Alright, now
Video. Yun o. Matay tayo dyan. Ang dalawa. Oh, saan ka ba? Oh, ano? Ano? Game. Walang kwenta yan. Still yan eh. Sexy ah.
Okay, what's next, Brian?